This is Fayaz here, Director Sales, MISUMI India. Welcome to the future of manufacturing. MISUMI LMAC. The best part about this product is you don't have to use multiple actuators in a single machine because it comes with a feature that you can use multiple sliders in a single actuator. That reduces the complexity of the whole system itself. 90% of the customers who tried MISUMI LMAC ended up buying from us. And buying is quite easy. Visit MISUMI website, add the part code, just add to cart and buy it. MISUMI is a global leading manufacturer and the supplier of mechanical components for factory automation, industrial automation, and the machine builders. The goal of MISUMI is very simpler, helping the designers spend less time sourcing the components but more time in creating the innovative machines for the future.